Hello friends, hope you all fine. I'm posting on YouTube after a long time. I really don't get much time, but I really love to show what I do and share it with you people. I'm not good with making video as you know. Let's get started on today's video. Today I will make a floral doodle leaf patterns with various flowers and leaves. So first, I have drawn some hand-drawn doodle art of flowers and leaves. Hope you like it. With all of these, I will make a beautiful, seamless pattern with it. I request you to please watch till last so that you can clearly understand how to make a seamless vector pattern with Adobe Illustrator. You have to select all the objects or arts together and go to Top Menu, Object, Pattern, Make. After selecting OK, you can input the pattern size as your artboard to make it easily. Keeping same size will help you to make your desired pattern. In my case, it is 800 by 800 pixel. Also, don't forget to give your pattern a name. Don't worry, you can change it later on your color swatch after creating it. After it, select all the objects again and move your pattern tile and come up top on your artboard. It will look like exactly your artboard. Now it is time for the fun ride. We can move the objects separately and arrange it as we like, copy-paste it to make others, can change colors of the objects also. Do whatever looks great for you. You can see how seamless pattern around your artboard is already in progress. It is really a fun ride. At last, I will tell you a tips of how to sell these patterns on stock sites and earn some extra cash if you really like it to make these type of patterns. Now our pattern is ready. It is time for it to save it and use it with different background. Play with it with your creativity and see how you can make thousands of these type of vector patterns this way easily. Do you know where these patterns get used? Look around your daily life. Actually, they are everywhere. See the tile of your house, cloths, carpet, diary front page, baby books, see the wrappers, papers. It is actually everywhere. So you can understand how important a pattern is. If it is seamless, it really works for these places. The sales potential of these patterns is great if you understand the market. You can print your desired things with these patterns like gift wrapper, bed sheet and others. You can sell it locally also. I hope you understand its huge market by now. I am already selling these same things on many stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Dreamstime, and others. I will share a register link of these sites to get you started on my description of this video. You can join with my referral link easily and can sell these. At first, you will feel tough, but it sells if you upload regularly and have some good amount portfolio. It's not like you upload 2 of these and it will sell the next day. Try to upload at least 50 to 100 numbers of it at first. You will see the results. If you have any comment and anything to know, just tell me on comment. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Happy learning and best of luck for your creativity.